Nayo ni goto kugenda ase kaunti ya Nyamira wase ababwatani korwase kiombe kia Apollo babwatiranire ne serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira na kurikia abaremi wetera emetandao yekerero kurengana babwatani korwase kiombe kyo bakora wano mulenobo Benjamin Njenga nigo batebire buna abaremi nigo barachikonyora obukoreri bwe serikali buna konyora embusuro yekerengo kegoro mono muri keito job na manki
serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira mbakora okubwaterana ne kiombe kia Apollo igoro yokorikia abaremi asechinjera chekerero asomo yega okoreka ensemo ya Nyansiongo NCPB ebunge ya Borabu kaunti ya Nyamira. Benjamin Njenga oyoromo bisase kiombe kia Apollo nago kera okubwaterana ne kaunti ya Nyamira asateba omorobero yino chigokonya abaremi kwegendereria ase oboremi bwabo.
And we are very excited that we have been able to join hands with the county government of Nyamira to be able to support our farmers to have an easier process in terms of registering for government services, including access to the national government fertilizer program.
Ense moyende omorobero ino chikorosia amabaga yemeremo korwa egekendo korwa se asara yokoro kwa insurance asebo igobara semya baremi igoro yechinchera choboremi chekerero.
We'll be able to create awareness for our farmers so that they can be able to know what is needed for them to be able to register and get the benefit through our agent network, at the same time still providing employment opportunities for our field agents, all our young youths.
Mbabwate abagenti barabi bakonya abaremi anene mono ase obolemi bwabo asoko borokereria chinchera chekerero.
So as part of our support on the financing, we will also be financing these farmers to access high quality seeds, to access insurance, and also to access training that will be able to support these farmers to achieve the production that we need so that we can be able to be food secure as a country.
Abalemi baikirana nsemeyo mbachengera omoroberio yo asebate banochiko bakonya anene mono asokonyora obwoyo aseligo lirike.
Iga bwabibitike iki igondo jenga igobore yange siringi 3500 yatokonyira oboyo boria president yeito yateba nga tigaboke elinda bali mitobe toigote elinde nali turarengera libuya
asebase emyabaremi be kaunti ya Nyamira kwelikia asemoroberio yo elinde bachigokonyeka anene mono asobolemi bwabo.
Abaremi abange berike egekogera ochumi yeito igerenza sana tose konyora masa maya korwase ekekundi gekia Apollo igotora obotaka igoboraere.
Omoroberio yo no chigokonya abaremi be kaunti ya Nyamira elinde kwegendereria ase obolemi bwabo. Kurwa sensemo ya Nyansiongo egotoka ebunge ya Borabu kaunti ya Nyamira ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi.